Are you also one of those people who repeats the word sorry again and again when you make a mistake? Then this video is just for you. Hey everyone, this is Surbhirekha Khatri from Team Accurate, and in today's video we are going to learn 9 advanced English ways to replace the word sorry and sound like a pro. So let's get started. So the first way to say sorry is to say my apologies. My apologies can be used as a replacement of I am sorry. It is a very formal way, so you can also use this in business context, and you can use this in casual ways as well. For example, my apologies that I will not be able to come today. My apologies, I will not be able to submit the assignment today. The second way to say sorry is to say pardon me. Pardon me slang is used when you want to apologize from your heart, when you want to apologize from the offended person. You can also replace pardon me with pardon, or you can say I beg your pardon. For example, pardon me, I didn't mean to offend you. Pardon me, I'll not be able to pay you that much. So the third way to say sorry is to say excuse me. Excuse me can be used when you want to interrupt a conversation, but in a polite way. It can also be used when you have done some misbehavior and you want to apologize for that. For example, excuse me, I need to talk with you. Excuse me, I didn't know that the shoes are not allowed in the office. So the fourth way to say sorry is to say my bad. My bad can be used when you have done some misbehavior and you want to apologize. This can be used when you are taking complete responsibility of that misbehavior. I would suggest you to use this in casual way only. For example, oh, I lost your phone, my bad. My bad, I lost your book. So the fifth way to say sorry is to say it's all my fault. This slang can be used when you are apologizing for something, but this slang shows your sincerity as well. This slang is used when you are taking complete responsibility of the misbehavior. For example, it's all my fault that we could not complete the video by today. It's all my fault that we could not close this deal. The sixth way to say sorry is to say mea culpa. Mea culpa is a Latin word which means through my mistake. That means you are taking complete responsibility of all the mistakes done by you and you are really guilty for that. For example, I didn't mean to say that, but if you felt bad, then mea culpa. I wanted to complete this assignment by today, but if I have done any mistake, then mea culpa. The seventh way to say sorry is to say how sad for you. This slang is especially used when you're feeling sorry for someone, especially when someone has lost something really big. For example, how sad for you that you have lost your father. How sad for you that you failed in your 10th grade. The eighth way to say sorry is to say, will you please forgive my error? This slang is generally used when you are taking complete responsibility of your mistake and you are feeling very guilty about it. For example, will you please forgive my error that I forgot to pay electricity bills? Will you please forgive my error that I broke your phone? The ninth way to say sorry is to say the situation has filled me with regret. This slang is generally used when you are feeling really very sorry for something and you have done a very big mistake. This slang can be used in casual and formal ways as well. For example, the situation has filled me with regret that we have to shut this company. The situation has filled me with regret that we have to sell our house. So these were 9 advanced English phrases to replace the word sorry and sound like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something from this video. And if you really did, then give us a thumbs up and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get future notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video.